Okay, back at the school, we've got ourselves an old friend, and Yanni being South African, he'll really appreciate this, a Protea, which is from South Africa. It's a Scott Bonner design. I've had this a couple of years now. It's been at Matt Zonta's, it's been at Matty Ryks's. It's really holding up well. A few little dings in here, to be expected. Looking rather sweet. The reel's been sharpened a few times, been used a lot. Jerry's Mower Mart, he did that. And yeah, holding up really well. It's gone a little bit discoloured, but that's not here nor there. A little bit of this is ripped, perforated a bit, but they're easy enough to replace. So we're going to give it a crack today. And we're going to start foliar spraying here. Four Seasons is really doing well with this, but now we're going to get to foliar spraying, and next weekend we're going to be doing a reno.
Okay, so this Protea is only a 17-inch Protea, so let's do some double fat lines. So basically you go down one way and then down the other way, leave a bit of a gap which is about the same size as your mower, and then go back the other way, filling in that gap. So you've got two going one way and now one going the other way. So this run here is just to neaten up what I've missed, and then I'll come back up the other way. And then what I'll be doing is going back and filling the gap the other way. So you can see the pattern starting to form. So it's twice the width of the mower each way, and I got a little bit lost in it sometimes, but if I was looking down from my point of view, the lighter lines are the ones that are mowed away from me, the lines that are darker are the ones that are mowed towards me. So I just had to look and work it out a few times because I lost my way a little bit. But pretty good attempt, I think, and considering this area's really desperate for a reno, it's very rutted, the Protea really handled it with the plumb. So out came the BA Group Greens Keeper sprayer. This will really make the job quite easy.
So I've just put in 350 mils of launch and 350 mils of root builder, 30 litres of water. We've got 700 square metres to play with. So it's a lower strength, and now we can turn this on, and that's mixing it up. All good. I've been in your waters. I came for sure. So this is the new area that I'm going to do. The soil's here now. I've got to map it out, work out the irrigation, dig the irrigation trenches, fill in that topsoil. It's probably not enough there. It's 30 tonne there, believe it or not. And that tree might be a bit of an issue. We'll see what we'll do there. But that's going to be tiff-tough. It's going to look lovely once we've done it. So I've smashed out probably about 3 hours of mucking around on this lawn today. She really needed a cut. double fat lines. Probably can't see them now because it's getting shaded and dark. But yeah, 700 square meters of love, and also did a launch and root builder application with the BA sprayer. Made it very, very easy. The big part was the mowing today. It's looking good.